everybody. Welcome back to Anima Energy Healing. Today we are in the mountains near my hometown, Sibiu, in Romania. I wanted to do a little trip and also connect with the mountain. I was asking last night what to talk to you about in this new video, and I got this intuition about that this beautiful mountain has a message for all of us. So what we will do in this video is I will just channel the message and let's hear it. Allow me to connect a little bit. You can also connect to the energy of this beautiful mountain if you want. It's called Poltinish. So the message is, hello everyone, I just want you to know that I'm here and that I'm part of all the mountains in the world. We are like a network. I want you to know that we are here to serve you, to protect you, and to guide you. And in order for you to connect to our wisdom, it's actually really easy. You just put the intention to connect to the mountain where you were born. That is the mountain with which you can connect more easily. So the mountain that is more near to your place of birth, or the mountain that is more near to where you're living now, is the mountain with which you can connect, and it's actually your guardian. And we as mountains are here and waiting for you to connect and to ask us for questions or for guidance, and we could um, answer and help guide you. So I just wanted you to know that this is available to you always. And we are here as your guardians. This was the message from my mountain, my guardian. I really want to hear from you now. Tell me in the comments below. Did you connect sometime with your mountain? What is your experience with discovering their wisdom?